Today is all about getting all the servers within Active Directory. This is typically the first thing that I do when I start a new job, if I'm managing all the servers, right? I'm a system admin, and I am going to click on Start, and we are going to type in ISE. We are going to open up the Windows PowerShell ISE as an admin, so open that up. I'm going to hit yes for the user account control. That's going to start loading up. And if you see me looking this way, it's because I actually have my notes. I'm getting super old, so I forget a lot of the commands. So I have my notes here. Okay, so the first command that we need to do is import and module. And because we're using Active Directory, the module is going to be Active Directory. That's self-explanatory, right? So you can either highlight it, or as long as you have the cursor at the end of the command, you are able to do either F8 or just hit this little button right here. I like to hit the button. So I'm gonna run it. It's gonna import the Active Directory modules, and then we are ready to get going. So I'm gonna hit enter. Third line, we're gonna do the following command is going to be get, and it's going to be AD computer, and I'm going to hit the tab to auto complete it. Now, because there's many computer objects within your Active Directory, we need to do like a filter to only find servers. So we're going to use the parameter of filter. We're going to do a single quotation. It is going to be operating system, hopefully I'm able to spell operating system, space, like, double quotations, asterisk, which is a wildcard, server, and another asterisk, and close the quotation. We're going to hit space and, right, that's an expression, enable is equal to, open and close quotation, true. This is going to be like a long one. So within PowerShell, if you hit a space and you give a tick like this, once you hit the tick, which I'm going to show you, I'm going to zoom in real quick because it's like a real small thing. Let's zoom in. That little tick right there allows you to hit enter, and then go to the next line and then do a long command within PowerShell. Okay, so I am going to do a parameter of properties. Now, the particular properties that I want to gather for this list would be the following. I want the name of the computer object. We want the operating system. Hopefully I'm able to spell it right, even though I'm looking at my notes. Operating system. We want the operating system version, and we're going to do IPv4 address. Now I'm going to add more to this, so I'm just going to hit space and I'm going to add a tick, and I'm going to hit enter. So from here, I'm going to pipe it. And add an additional command, and that will be sort, because I want to have everything nice sorted. Object, hit the tab. Parameter is going to be the property and operating system. I'm going to hit space. I'm going to hit the tick. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to pipe it one more time. So the next command is we are going to call out select object, and we're going to do a parameter of property, and we're going to do the following. It's going to be name. This is the stuff that we want to actually export to a file. I like to export this stuff into a spreadsheet, and then I organize it, and I have a good list, a nice little list of all the servers within the infrastructure. So we're going to do name, we're going to do operating system, comma, operating system, hopefully I'm spelling everything right, operating system version, and we're going to do IPv address, space, and I'm going to give it another tick, and I'm actually going to hit enter. Now I want to export everything to a nice CSV file, so we're going to pipe it again, and we're going to do the export command of CSV. That's the one it wants. And it's going to be C:. I want a folder btnhd temp, which I don't have it, and the name of the file is going to be server dump.csv. Zoom out. I'm going to highlight everything, okay? And I created this folder with you guys, so it's not like I have the CSV file in there. So I'm going to show you guys. I don't have anything inside here at all. It's blank, nothing. There's no magic behind the scenes that I did something and it just worked. It's pretty simple. Well, it's pretty simple for me. If you have multiple servers within your infrastructure, it might take a bit because I only have one server, it's super quick. And that would be the DC01 that I have. So if I double click on this guy, and this is what I would typically do at a 9-to-5 job or when I'm starting out, you're gonna get this. Cool. Don't show me this. I am going to zoom in a little bit for you guys, and this is how it looks. First thing that I would typically do, I would just go to File. I do Save As. I don't like it as a CSV file, so just make sure you save it as a Excel file. So let's click, you're able to rename it, but I'm gonna leave it as is. So click Save. And then from here, I'm gonna select everything, double click on one of the columns to kind of organize everything, or auto fit everything. I typically delete the first cell because this is gibberish that is added during the PowerShell export. And I'm gonna select all the cells, double click in between one of the columns to organize it real nice, and that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I catch you guys on the next live stream. Peace out.